Let's do a comparison between crewai versus n8n. When comparing crewai to n8n, both platforms excel in automation but cater to slightly different user needs and preferences. First, we have crewai. It focuses on enhancing team collaboration through AI driven insights and tools that streamline workflows, making it particularly valuable for teams looking to optimize communication and productivity. In contrast, n8n is an open source workflow automation tool that allows users to create complex integrations and automations across various applications without needing extensive coding knowledge. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on whether the user prioritizes collaboration features or broader automation capabilities. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.